Used car dealer JetCon has been taking a beating from the economy, so now they're trying to sell solar equipment. I'm Kalilah Reynolds, financial journalist and educator based in Jamaica. Let's see what's going on here. So Q2 has been rough for JetCon. Revenues fell 27%. Same time last year, they earned $251 million. This year, it's down to $184 million, and they're operating at an $8 million net loss. The company even had to sell 10 vehicles from their electric vehicle fleet at a steep discount. According to the financial report, the vehicles were bleeding value and had to go. JetCon said if they had sold the cars at market value, they would have made a profit of $4.2 million instead of an $8 million loss. So that should give you an idea of just how far below value they sold them for. How come I never hear about these deals before time, though? Anyway, according to our analysts, that's just the way the game is right now.
JetCon is feeling the reality that everybody else is feeling, which is higher rates means less persons are going to be able to qualify for used car deals. So, while they mentioned that, banks are not as interested in lending for used cars, the reality is lending is still going on, probably at the same pace or growth like in prior times, but at the same time, whereas I might have been able to afford a used car at 7%, I probably not be the same case now, where I have to be paying probably 10, 11%, as my interest rate. And banks are not going to be pushing out more loans just, to meet targets if it's going to end up becoming a bad loan later on. So that's just part of the context that's affecting JetCon.
Plus, we also have to consider that the used car market is oversaturated.
And we know that the used car space already was very crowded because the barrier to entry is fairly low. And we know it's a very popular market for money laundering. So many persons who would be carrying out illicit activities, they create a car mart, just make it seem as if they're a car dealer. And they might sell a car once in a blue moon, but it's the oversupply. The oversupply is just, it's murder in JetCon. It's really an oversupply story. Plus the interest rate situation to make it much worse. So it's tough. Wow. And then the cars are not getting cheaper.
So now the company has pivoted to selling solar equipment as a way to keep steady cash coming into the business. And solar is a good move, especially now with record high temperatures and more people looking to get off JPS's grid. Now the stock's price has been pretty much unaffected by this news so far. It's been trading around the $1.05 range for the past 3 months. And JetCon shares don't really trade in high volume, so there haven't been large swings in the price. We'll have to wait and see if the company's new strategy pays off. And that's the bottom line. What do you guys think of this JetCon news? Do you think this pivot is a smart play? Let me know in the comments, especially if you're a JetCon shareholder. Take our Investing for Beginners course to learn how to start investing. The link is in the description below. Let's get this money.
Let's get this money.